Hello and welcome to the complete guide to using your Android Lollipop Nexus 6. Today it's hidden secrets and cool features. To reveal a hidden Android Lollipop, go to the settings screen and then choose the About Phone option at the bottom of the screen. Find the area that lists your current Android version number and then start tapping it until a huge lollipop appears. You can then tap on this lollipop to change the colour. From this lollipop screen you can play a secret mini-game based on Flappy Birds. Long press on the lollipop and it will change into an Android, and you can tap that Android through lollipops. A word of warning though, this game is tough. To access developer mode, go to settings and then go to the About Phone option and scroll down to the very bottom of the screen. Where it says build number, start tapping and a message will appear that says you are a few steps away from being a developer. Keep tapping it until the message you are a developer appears. Now if you back out of this screen onto the main settings screen, at the bottom the option will now be developer mode and you can toggle this on or off. Just a word of warning though, you mess with these settings at your own risk. If you have multiple user profiles on your device, you can see how much storage each user is taking up by going to settings, then storage, and going to the bottom of the screen where it will show the user name and the space they are taking up. You can find out more information about your device by going to settings and the About Phone option. This displays information that you might need when diagnosing issues. And to help you get this information quickly, you can long press on each of the sections to copy the text to your clipboard so that you can paste it somewhere else if you need to. The default camera application has a green strip down the right hand side, and you can swipe in from that side of the screen to reveal scientific calculator options. You can also achieve the same effect by tilting your device to a landscape orientation. To give some of the text on your device a black bold outline, go to settings and then scroll down to accessibility. On this screen you want to select high contrast mode. Toggle it on and then return to your home screen. Now it might not be immediately apparent, but the icon text will now have this bold outline effect, as well as the clock and lock screen text. It may not be to your liking, but it is a nice little effect to consider. If you've unlocked developer mode, one small side effect of this is the ability to go to your app list using the button in the bottom right hand corner of your device and then long pressing on an icon to take you to the application info screen for that application. If you want to talk to your device even when it's asleep, you can do this through the Google Now voice activation. To get this, go to the Google app and then press on the bars in the top left hand corner and then choose settings. Next, you want to go to voice and then OK Google detection. Toggle the always on option and you will be prompted to say OK Google 3 times so that it can record your voice and recognise it. This might take a couple of tries before it works, but once it's set up, lock your device and start having a conversation.
OK Google, what's the weather like in Vancouver?
It's 10 degrees and mostly cloudy in Vancouver.
One fascinating and, when you think about it, terrifying feature is the Google location history. You can find this by going to settings and then choosing location. At the bottom of this screen, choose location history and then press the 3 dots in the top right hand corner of the screen. Press on the View Manage button and this will take you to a Google web page where it will show you all the places your devices have been that are connected to Google. If this is new to you, then you might find it a bit invasive, but every time you've downloaded an application or used a Google service, you've most likely agreed to these location services terms. And if you've got multiple devices connected to Google, it will think you've been back and forth to several locations all at the same time. It can even track your history back 30 days. So what happens in Vegas now seems to stay on Google's servers. Thank you for watching this Video Gadgets Journal video today. My name is Rob and each of my videos is designed to inform, intrigue and entertain, to connect you with your technology. Today I've been connecting you with the Nexus 6. If you want to follow more of my journal on the device, then click over here. If you want some useful hints and tips on the Nexus 6, click over here. And if you want more information about the channel in general, then click on me. Thank you very much, and I'll see you again soon.